Hi everyone, I wanted to talk about this foot mask, exfoliating foot mask that I found at Whole Foods. It's $4.99 and I've been getting it recently on sale for $2 and I believe 24 cents. And that's extremely cheap. If you go on Amazon and look for other foot masks, they're like $17, 18, 15. They're quite up there. So this one works very well. You insert your foot into the feet inserts that are included in the package. You soak your feet for an hour, hour and a half, and within 2 to 14 days, it will start peeling. You'll see a lot of dead skin. I posted my peeling towards the end, and that was the second time of me using it. Once it starts to peel, I then soak my feet. I should say though, it took the first time it took 2 days to start peeling. The second time it took a week. Once I start to see it peel, I then soak my feet. You see the items that I'm using: apple cider vinegar and Epsom salt. And I soak them in warm water. I wait maybe 30 minutes and then I use the foot scraper and I start to scrape away the dead skin. Once that's done, on a slightly wet, I damp it dry feet, I will use that Vaseline with aloe vera and vitamin E, and I'll rub it and keep it moisturized every time I get out of the shower. So you see my foot right here is starting to peel, and that's all dead skin. Ugh, gross. But it works well. I love it. It's it's $4.99, and if you get it on sale, $2.24 or 21 cents. And if you use it, let me know. Let me know what you think. It's great to prepare for summer. Bye.